Up until late last year, I was pretty skeptical of using AI for software engineering. I'd occasionally use it to learn a new API, but rarely put AI-generated code into real code bases. Then in November, I decided to build this schema definition language that I'd been kicking around in my head for years. I figured I'd semi-vibe code it as a way to learn a new programming language. I had the LLM help define the syntax, write up a spec, and then build the transpiler piece by piece. I was shocked that the output was mostly functional. Even though the LLM built this way faster than I could have on my own, the process felt slow. There was so much time waiting for the agents to write the code, thinking I could be doing something else more productive. So I built a daemon that could break specs into tasks and orchestrate containerized coding agents to work on them in parallel. And this felt like magic. But I realized I just shifted all of my effort from writing code to testing vibed code and then writing prompts to fix it. I had something 80% working, but I didn't understand how it was architected or how it worked at all. The question in my head changed from can agents write code to can we take what they do well, but still maintain good engineering principles? Can we still understand the output and guide the architectural direction? So that's what I'm experimenting with now. I've built out this web UI that communicates with a daemon behind the scenes that spins up containerized Claude Code sessions to accomplish their tasks. All of my active tasks are on the right side here, with the ones that need my attention up at the top and the ones that are being worked on by the agent down below. I can add a task with the plus button or use Command/ for quick actions. The placement of this quick actions modal is a bit off, so we can create a new task to fix that. I'll enter in a description of my task and then click Begin Planning. That causes the task to be sent to the daemon, which you can see here is just entering planning mode. The thing I like about this setup is that in the meantime, I can go and pick up another piece of work to move forward. This does involve a lot of context switching, but at least I don't have to also switch tools. Plan review and code review both support commenting, so I can provide feedback to the agent before I approve the work. We'll wait a bit longer for the agent to finish planning, and then this task will move to the top of the prioritized list. Now we've got a plan from the agent, and I'll go in here and review it. I'll make a few corrections so you can see the back and forth process, and then we'll accept the plan. Okay, everything looks good now, so I'm accepting the plan, and the agent will start coding up the task. After a bit of work by Claude Code, we'll get the code changes. Now that the task is in code review, we get access to the diff tab at the top. This will show the changes that Claude is proposing. If there were code changes I wanted, I could go in here and add comments, but since this is such a simple change, it looks good and I can click merge. Now the status is merging. Rather than relying on agents for everything, certain steps in the process are done programmatically, like some Git operations, running tests, linting, etc. This makes sure these steps aren't accidentally skipped by the agent and saves time and tokens. The task is complete and I can refresh the page and see that the quick action box is now centered. This is all running locally right now, but I'm thinking about releasing it at some point. If you have questions about how I'm doing any of this, want to try it out, or just chat about what software engineering looks like in the future, I would love to connect.